Hi all, welcome to Shavagana Aptitude classes. Now in this video, I'm going to explain another paper that is the solutions of Jipmat 2021. What is Jipmat? One of the finest competitive examination to enter into 5 years degree program, 5 years management program, 5 years management program, where? In IIM, Indian Institute of Management, the one of the premier institutions in India, topmost institutions in India, right? It's a 5 years management program in that. So one of the premier institutions in India. To study over here your management degree, you should attempt this one, Jipmat. It's joint integrated program in management admission, in management aptitude test. That is the abbreviation. So this was happened in the June, in the month of June in 2021. I collected the quantitative aptitude questions from that very latest paper. That's it. So the main objective of doing this video is I found that, or I observed that most of the questions of this paper are came or appeared in the recent TCS exam also. So that is the reason why. So this the questions in this paper might be useful for TCS, NQT, Wipro, NLTH, Capgemini, because it's a purely aptitude test. So aptitude is the major part in placement written test, as you all know. So let us start the first question. The unit digit of the units place of this number. The number is 7 power 95 minus 3 power 58. As it is a paper explanation, only solutions are provided. For the complete information about each and every topic, you can contact me. 7 power 95 minus 5 3 power 58. Now power is in which form? This is in 4k plus 3 form. 4 into something plus 3 form, because the division of, by dividing 95 by 4, you are going to get the remainder 3. That is the reason why 95 is in which form? 4k plus 3. Similarly 58 is in which form? 4k plus 2 form. I already explained about unit digits. The unit digit of a power 4k plus 3 is equal to unit digit of a power 3. Similarly, the unit digit of a power 4k plus 2 is equal to unit digit of a power 2. That is here I am applying. So 7 power 95 unit digit is same as 7 power 3 minus 3 power 58 unit digit is same as 3 power 2. Right? 7 power 3. 7 power 3 is 343, unit digit is 3, minus 3 square unit digit is 9. 3 minus 9, you are going to get minus 6. If you get the negative number, what you have to do is add 10, minus 6 plus 10. So the unit digit is 4. Unit digit is 4. Why we are adding this 10? Simply the reason is, here 3 minus 9. To subtract this, we are going to get the borrow from the tens digit. That is what we are doing in general subtraction. So 13 minus 9 is 4. In that way also we can convey. Answer for this question is 4. Next question. HCF of the fractions. HCF of the fractions is nothing but what? HCF of 9 by 10, comma, 12 by 25, comma, 18 divided by 35, comma, 21 divided by 40. So HCF of fractions is simply HCF of numerator terms divided by LCM of denominator terms. LCM of denominator terms. So here numerator terms are 9, 12, 18, 21. So HCF of these four terms is 3. Now 10, 25, 35, 40. Their LCM is 1400. 1400. So 3 by 1400 is the answer for this question. Now find the value of this one, simplification, right? You need a smart thinking. Just observe, it is 4 point, it is 41 point, it is 414 point, and this is 41464. So we can do the approximation because the answer options having lot of difference between two options. So just do the approximation. 25 square is how much? 625. 15 square is how much? 15 square is 225. Difference we need. Difference is 400. So simply the answer is closer to 400, which is option C. That's it. Next, a train starts full of passengers at the first station. Okay. The similar question has been asked in the Wipro in 2020. Yeah, let us say total x number of passengers are there initially. At first station, one third are dropped. As one third are dropped, the remaining are two third, which is 2x by 3. Now how many are get into the train? 280 are get into the train. Now in the next station, half dropped. If half dropped, remaining is this one, right? And how many are getting? 12 are getting. Now in the train, how many are there? 248, which was given. That's it. Now 2x by 3 plus 280. So just cancel it with the 2 first. That is x by 3 plus 140 equal to 248 minus 12, which is nothing but 230. 240 minus 12, which is 236. 236. Now x by 3, x is equal to 236 minus 140, which is nothing but 96. 96 into 3, nothing but 288. So initially how many passengers in the train? 288. Similar model we can expect in upcoming TCS also, my dear aspirants. Sincere aspirants, I am telling, for the sincere aspirants I am preparing these videos. I am giving complete content in my videos itself. There is no less level of content. High quality content I am giving. Quality in the sense the most chances of asking questions I am explaining. Papers also, the value of this one, right? So by seeing this question, every BTech student will get what idea? Rationalization. If you do the rationalization, the first term becomes root 9 plus 8. Second term is root 8 plus root 7, which is nothing but minus root 8 minus minus plus root 7. Next term is minus root 7. Next term is, on rationalizing this term, you will get plus root 7 minus root 6 plus root 6. Next term is minus root 6 plus root 5. Minus root 6 minus root 5. The next term is plus root 5 plus root 4. Right? Minus root 5 plus root 5 minus root 6 minus root 7 plus root 7 minus root 8 plus root 8 gets cancelled. Root 9 is 3 plus root 4 is 2. Root 4 is 2. So answer for this question is 5. Just what? Rationalization. If you want, I will do one rationalizing term. Root 9 plus root 8 divided by root 9 minus root 8 into root 9 minus plus root 8, rationalizing. Numerator is root 9 plus root 8, a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square, 9 minus 8 is 1. In the similar way, 8 minus 7 is 1, 7 minus 6 is 1. That is the reason why denominators are out. And after cancellation, this is left. 3 plus 2, 5. So in the cricket team, 11 players are there. The average age of the 11 players is 28. 11 into 28, which is nothing but 306. 11 into 28, which is nothing but how much? 308. This is the total age of the 11 players. Out of these, the average age of the three groups, of 3 players each, right? Each group, one group 3 persons, average age is 25. Another group of 3 persons, average is 28. Another group of 30, another group of 3 persons, average age is 30. Now which means these are 3 persons, these are 3 persons, these are 3 persons. That's why 3 into 25 plus 28 plus 30, which is nothing but 83. That's nothing but 249. This is the total age of how many players? 9 players. Now 2 players are left. What are the 2 players? Captain and youngest player. Captain and youngest player. Now sum of the captain and youngest player age is nothing but 308 minus 249. 308 minus 249 is nothing but 59. And also one more thing is given. The age difference between captain and youngest is how much is given? 11, which was there. So if you do this, if you solve these two, you will get the age of the captain. By addition, y gets cancelled. 70 by 2, which is nothing but 35. So the captain age is 35, which was there in the option. Fix it. Next question. A number, it's not member, a number consisting of 2 digits whose sum is 8. If 18 is added, digits are interchanged. Let us do with options help, as options are present and it is a competitive examination. Then digits are not reversed. 35 plus 18, 53. Digits are gets reversed. Answer is over. 4 by 7th of the pole in the mud. When 1/3 of the pole is pulled out, 250 centimeters of the pole is still in the mud. The full length of the pole is, let us say full length of the pole is x. 4x by 7 is in the mud. And how much is removed? 1/3. 1/3 is removed, which means x by third is removed. This still how much is there? 250. That's it. It's simple, right? It's simple, right? So 4x 21, so 3 14 9 5x. So 5x divided by 21 is nothing but 250. This is 5 times 50. 21 into 50 is 1050, which was there in the option. Fix it. Next question. Exactly same question that was present in my books that I was written, right? So 2x is equal to, let us say, k. So 2 can be written as k power 1 by x. Similarly, 3 can be written as k power 1 by y. Similarly, 6 can be written as k power minus 1 by z. Equating all these 3 k and individually like this. Right? So 6 is simply 2 into 3. So making use of simple technique, k power minus 1 by z is equal to k power 1 by x into k power 1 by y. So finally bases are equal, adding the powers. You will get 0. Answer for this question is 0, which was there in the option. Fix it. Next question. A candidate is scoring 25% marks. Okay. He scored 25%. Okay. What happens? He scored 25%. He scored 25%. But failed by how much? But failed by 30 marks, right? He is 30 marks failed, right? Now another person scored 50 marks in the same examination. He got 20 marks more than pass, right? Which means if this person gets 30 marks, he will pass. And if this person is getting 20 marks more, how many marks difference between these two persons? Just see, if this is the pass line, pass point, first person is behind 30. Second person is cross and move 20. Difference is how much? 50. The marks difference between the two candidates is 50 and the percentage difference between the two candidates is 25. Which means 25% is 50. 100% is how much? 4 times. Here also 4 times, which is nothing but 200. So the maximum mark in the examination is 200. Let us find the pass mark. Pass mark. If I take the first person how much got? 25% of pass. Maximum mark is 200, and if we got 30 more, he will pass. This is the pass. 25% of 200. which is nothing but 80, sorry, 25% of 200. Just a minute. 200, which is nothing but 25 divided by 100 into 200 plus 30. This is 2 times. So 25 into 250 plus 3 is 80. So pass mark is 80 out of how many? 200 marks. Pass percentage is how much? This is 2 times 240s. 40% is the pass mark. That's it. Most important question, my dear viewers, for the placements of upcoming Wipro and so. Dishonest, the name itself indicates is a fraud. Dishonest dealer professes to sell his goods at cost price. He is selling the goods at cost price, but he is still getting the profit. Is it really happens if he is honest? No. But since he is dishonest, that is the reason why he is getting the profit. How he is dishonesting? False weight. He is showing the false weight. For example, if it is 1000 grams which is showing on the pan, if it is 1000 grams showing on the pan, showing on the pan in the lever, shown on the pan in the lever, but it is not actually 1000, it is not actually 1000. False weight he is using, he is using the false weight. That is the reason why he is getting the profit of 6 18 47%. 6 into 47, 6 into 47 plus 18, which is nothing but 300. 300 by 47, this is the percentage of profit he is getting. Okay, so let us say the cost price is 100, which is nothing but I put 100 grams, right? But what is the selling? 100 plus 300 divided by 47, this is the profit he is getting. Since I was taken for 100, 300 by 47 is the profit, right? So cost price plus profit, you will get the selling price. Is how much the selling price? This is 4700 plus 300, 500 by 7, 5000 by 7, 5000 by 47 is the selling price, right? Selling price. Now for 100 grams, for 100 grams he is selling this one at 5000 by 47 grams, right? 100 grams he is selling as by showing 5000 by 47. Now he is showing 1000, 1 kg 1000, but its actual weight is how much? You can take this question in this way, which is nothing but 100 into 1000 whole divided by 5000 divided by 47, which is 3 zeros, 3 zeros, so 5 2, so 47 into 2 94 0. That's it. It is 940 grams. So on the pan he is showing 1000, but its actual weight is how much? 940. Beautiful, good quality question, my dear viewers, from the topic of profit and loss discount. Harish divides the two sums of money of his four sons Naresh, Vipin, Bhupesh and Yogesh. In what ratio? 4 is to 3 is to 2 is to 1 ratio. Okay. And the second in the ratio, same sum in the second ratio, 5 is to 6 is to 7 is to 8. Okay. If the second sum is twice the first, just let us take this sum of the ratios, 4 3 2 1 7 10. This is the sum is 10. This is 26. So this is not double. Let us make into double. So let us make into double. I need 0 because it is a 10 multiple. So this is 0 0 0 0. Right, this is 10. If I multiply this ratio with 13, you will get 130. So 260 is double that of 130. This condition is satisfied. So multiply this ratio by 13. If you multiply this ratio by 13, 13 4s are 52, 13 3s are 39, 13 2s are 26, 13 1s are 13, right? Now Naresh how much? 50 plus 52, 102. Now Vipin how much? 60 plus 39, 99. Bhupesh how much? 20 plus 76, 96. Now, what's Bhupesh is over. Yogesh is how much? 80 plus 13, which is nothing but 93. 93. The largest total is 102 is Naresh. Good, simple, smart thinking question. A is working, B is a sleeping partner. Okay. A puts 12,000. A puts 12,000 in the business and B puts 20,000 in the business. Let us say ratio 12 is to 20, which is nothing but 4 threes, 4 fives. So this is the ratio of investment. In the same ratio, A and B has to share the profits. Remember, the profits will be shared in the ratio of their investment. Okay. A received 10% of the profit for managing. Total profit received is 9,600. In that 10% is 960. This is A taken for managing the things. Now remaining is how much? 10% is taken for managing. Remaining is 90%. Now 90% of 9,600. This is got A. This is got A on behalf of profit. Now this is how much? This should be 90% of the 9,600. Now this is the total profit left. Sorry, this is the total profit left. In this profit, A gets how much? 3 parts out of 8 in this ratio, which is nothing but 90 divided by 100 into 9,600 into 3 by 8. Two zeros gets cancelled. 9 threes are 27. 270 into 96 divided by this is 8. Okay. Okay. Which is nothing but 3240. This is the profit received by the A. Now he is not asking the profit. What is the amount money received by A? Already received 960 and also profit of how much? 3240. That's total is how much? 4200. That's the answer. Right? There is a lot of chance to put this option. You have to add this one also. For managing the things, A received 960. He is not asking the profit received by A. He is asking the money received by A. Take care, my dear viewers. Very good quality question. Lot of chance to ask this question in TCS or Wipro or Tech Mahindra. Right, in the upcoming drives, similar question. Fantastic question from the topic of partnerships. A contractor undertakes to do a piece of work in 40 days. Okay. He engages a 400 men. Okay. He engages the 100 men at the beginning and 100 more after 35 days. So first 35 days 100 men are worked plus. Now next 5 days 200 men are worked. This is the total work. This is the total work. By taking additional men 100, so that the work is completed in stipulated time. First 35 days 100 men. Next 5 days 200 men. So if this is the total work. Now if this additional 100 men were not employed, then the work will be delayed by how many days? That is the question. Now 100 men, these are also have to do the same work, takes 100 days. This is the total work. This is also the same total work. This is 3,500, 4,500 divided by 100, 45 days. If 100 men were not employed, work will be finished in 45 days. Actually, work has to finish in 40 days. So, delayed by 5 days. Simple, silly, important question from the topic of time and work. Very important model. Of course, easy also. 4 men and 6 women can do a piece of work in 8 days. Okay, cool. So 4 into 8, 32 men. 6 into 8, 48 women. Now they can do the finish the work in 1 day. Right? Now one more information is what? 3 men and 7 women can do the piece of work in 10 days. Okay. 3 into 10, 30 men plus 70 women, 7 into 10 can finish the work in 1 day. Now this is the 1 day work. This is also 1 day work. We can make equate 30 minus 32, 2 men is equal to 70 minus 48, 22 women, which means one man is equal to two women. Not physically, efficiency, working pattern, one man can do a work of two women. Okay, let us take any one. Let us take any one. First equation I am converting into completely in women. Four men can written as, sorry, this is 11, right? Two 11s are, four men can be written as 4 into 11, 44 men. 44 men plus 6 women can do the work in 8 days. This is what I am writing. I just converting these 4 men into women. Right, now this is nothing but a 50, this is women, right? Now 50 women can do the work in 8 days. 8 days. Okay. Okay. So one woman can finish the work in 50 into 8 days. 50 into 8 days. Now he is asking for 10 women. So 10 women can finish the work in how many days? 50 into 8 divided by 10. 10 fives are 8 fives are, which is nothing but 40 days. The work will be finished in 40 days. Superb question, important question from the topic of time and work. Viewers, I'm really happy to upload this video. I'm doing this video because the quality questions are coming in this competitive examination, which are lot of chance to ask the similar questions in the upcoming drives. Repeatedly listen. A pump can be operated for both filling the tank and emptying the tank. Okay, the capacity of the tank is 2400 is the capacity meter cube. Okay, the emptying capacity of the pump is 10 meter cube per minute, higher than filling. Let us say filling capacity is x meter cube per minute. Filling capacity is x meter cube per minute. Then the emptying capacity is x plus 10 meter cube per minute as per the given data. Now, the pump needs 8 minutes less to empty the tank to fill. Okay, the difference between emptying and filling is 8 minutes. So time taken to fill is 2400 divided by x. Time taken to empty is 2400 divided by x plus 10. This difference is given as 8. If you solve, you will get the value of x. Now 2400 cancellate with 8, you will get 300 here. X plus 10 minus x, which is nothing but a 10. 10 divided by x into x plus 10, which was nothing but LCM, is nothing but 1. Cool. Therefore, x into x plus 10 is equal to 300 into 10, which is nothing but 3000. 3000 can be simply written as 50 into 60. So x is 650, x plus 10 is 60. And we need x. X is nothing but filling, 50 meter cube per minute. Simple, good quality question. A boy covers a certain distance on train. If the train moved 4 kmph faster, it would take 30 minutes less. Faster, 30 minutes less. If it is moved 2 kilometers slower, it would have taken 20 minutes more. Okay, the distance is very good quality question. Very good quality question. Let us say the normal distance they are covered is d with the speed of s. This is the time taken usually. Based on this I am working. Usually they take d by s. Okay, now the same distance they are covered. Now it is moving at what speed? S plus 4 more speed. This difference is how much? 30 minutes. I am converting into hours, right? So okay, if we take d as s plus 4 minus s, nothing but s is remaining into s into s plus 4, which is nothing but 30 by 60. This is the equation 1. Now based on the second, it is slower. Instead of s plus 4, now you will get s minus 2. So similar equation is d divided by, now 2, right? 2 kmph slower, s into s minus 2. This is the equation we get, 20 divided by 60. This is equation 2. Similar kind of equation. If we divide equation 1 and 2, d gets cancelled, d gets cancelled. Finally, how much we are going to get? 2 into s minus 2, 2 into s minus 2 divided by s plus 4, which is nothing but 3 divided by 2. Upon cross multiplication, 4s minus 8 is equal to 3s plus 12. Fine. Therefore 4s, yes, 12 plus 8, 20. Speed is 20. Let us take any one equation. If I take the first equation, you will get the value of d. d into 4 divided by 20 into 24 is equal to 30 by 60. Nothing but 3 by 6. Okay, fine. Right. Now 4 6 are 6, 6 gets cancelled. 20 into 3, 60. So distance is how much? 60 kilometers. Finest question. Lot of chance to ask this model. I already covered this model in my video course, complete video course, as well as in my books that I was written. For those, you can contact this one. If you want, you can contact this one. Next one. A train with 90 kmph crossed the bridge in 36 seconds. Okay, let us say train length is L, bridge length is X. This is the distance. Distance divided by speed is 90. I am converting into meter per second. This was happened in 36 seconds. This was happened in 36 seconds. Right? Right. So from this L plus 6 is how much? L plus 6 is 5 5s are 25, L plus 6 18 2s, right? This is 900. L plus 6 is how much? 900. This is what? Length of the train plus bridge. Now another train 100 meters shorter, L minus 100, another train length. Bridge, same bridge length is X. Can moving speed is 45, converting into meter per second. This can be done in how many seconds? That is what we need to calculate. Time, right? Okay. So L plus X can be replaced as 900 divided by 45 into 5 divided by 18. Nothing but the time taken, which will comes up to be 45 2s 36 60 30 64. Yes, time taken will be 64 seconds. The cross in 64 seconds. Good quality question, my dear viewers. Very good quality question, no doubt. From the topic of time, speed, distance, this is also time, speed, distance. Upstream speed is boat speed minus stream speed. Downstream effective speed is boat speed plus stream speed. Okay, what is given? Distance covered is d divided by speed in upstream is u minus p. Speed of the boat is 2, therefore u minus 2, u minus 2 plus same distance downstream u plus 2 has been covered in 110. This was given in minutes. This is in 20 kilometers. Distance also given 20 kilometer distance is. This was in kilometers, so I'm converting into hours. 0 gets cancelled. We want u, right? We want u. Definitely just observe, my dear viewers, whatever the value of u, it should be 11 multiple. The common sense. I finished. Instead of solving the question with the smart thinking, whatever the value of u, it should be definitely 11 multiple, right? These smart thinking you should apply in the examinations, as options are available. Instead of calculation, you can save the time. These are the small things which will define your career. A mixture of alcohol and water contains a 35% alcohol by weight. If 25 grams of water is added, 25 grams of water is added to such a mixture is 100 grams. In this 100 grams, 35 grams is what? Alcohol. So remaining 65 grams is what? Water. That's okay. Now, to this mixture of 100 grams, 25 water is added. 35 is what? Alcohol. Percentage of alcohol we are directly get. That's it. 35 is the weight of the alcohol. Now the weight of the mixer is 125. For 25 is water is added into 100. You will get the percentage of water. 25 fours, 25 fives, 5 sevens, 7 fours, 28%. Next, a man pays good quality question. The way you understand is important. A man pays annual rent of how much? Annual 40 times the annual rent to purchase a building. 40 times of annual rent to purchase a building. The rate percentage per annum he derives from his investment. How much he has to pay annually, or how much he has to put aside, or how much he has to derive in terms of percentage from his annual investment to purchase this building. Let us say annual rent is a, or let us say beautiful variable x. Now how much he is paying? 40x, 40 times of annual rent. If we take this one as simple interest per year, this is the total, this will be the principal. That's it, right? So SI is equal to PRT by 100. That is what I'm applying. PRT by 100. X is equal to, principal is 40x. Rate of interest need to calculate. This was happened in, this is for annual interest. Annual, which means 1 year. Divided by 100. 0, 0 gets cancel. X gets cancel. R is nothing but 10 by 4, 2.5%. This is the percentage of amount that he need to draw, put aside from his investment to purchase the building. The way of asking the question is changes, but it is simply the question from simple interest. Very simple question. A certain sum is lent at the rate of compound. Amount is equal to, in case of compound interest, amount is equal to principal into 1 plus r by 100 whole power t. 1.44 times of its value, which means 1.44 times of its principal. 1 plus r by 100 happened in how many years? 2 years. If we take the pp gets a cancel, square root, this is 1.2 equal to 1 plus r by 100. So 1.2 minus 1, that is 0.2 into 200. Rate of interest is 20%. Now with the same rate of interest, the same principal amount, now simple interest, okay, how many times it will be doubled? That is right, amount is nothing but principal minus SI. Okay, right? Now amount should be doubled, which means my principal has to be doubled. So amount is 2p if the principal is p. So I'm going to get what? This is plus, right? Sorry, blunder. Amount is equal to principal plus SI. So SI is equal to how much? Which is nothing but principal. SI is simply PRT divided by 100. Right, P is equal to P into rate of interest is 20. How many years we need? Divided by 100. PP gets cancelled, 20 by 100, 5. T is 5 years. 5 years it will be doubled. In case of what? Simple interest. In case of compound, it is doubled in 2 years. In case of simple interest, it is doubled in 5 years. Right? The conceptual way I am telling. Actually, I have a beautiful shortcut for this method. I explained in my books as well as in my video course. For that, you can contact this one. The length of the canvas is 1.11 meter. Conical tent. Required to build a conical tent of height 14, floor area 346.5 meters square. Okay, right. What is the length of the canvas is required? 1.4, 1.1 is the wide. Okay. which is nothing but what length we need. I'm just putting it in a, this is what we need, this curved surface area, this is what we need. This curved surface area of the conical tent is pi r l, pi r l, right? We need to calculate r as well as l, right? Okay, this is nothing but pi r square. Pi r square is nothing but 346.5. 22 divided by 7 into r square is nothing but 3465 divided by 10. 5 2s, 5 6, 5 9s, 5 5s. 5 9s, 5 3s are 15, sorry. 5 3s are 15. This is definitely divisible by 11 2s, 11 6, 11 3s. So from this is 63. Therefore, we can write r square is equal to 7 into 63 divided by 2 into 2. R is equal to, r square is equal to 7 into 63 is nothing but 7 into 9. 9 is nothing but 3 into 3 divided by 2 into 2. So from this we can get r is equal to 7 into 3 divided by 2. 7 3s are 21 divided by 2, 10.5. This is the value of r. Okay. Okay, conical height is given. Height is given. Now, lateral height or slant height is square. Lateral height or slant height of the cone is r square plus h square. L is nothing but, r is nothing but 10.5. 10.5 square is 110.25. H is 14. 14 square is 196, which is nothing but 296, 306.25. 306.5. Approximately it is 17 square 289, 18 square 324. So it is approximately 7.5. 7.5. Now just to put it over here. Now length is 1.1 of the wide. Breadth we, length is okay, breadth, sorry, length we need to calculate, breadth is 1.1. This is equal to, this is the area, and one more area, this area, pi rl. 22 divided by 7, r is 10.5 into l is how much, 7.5. By making use of the on-screen calculator, the length of the canvas required I got is 525. The length of the canvas that is required is 525, which means canvas length is 525 and breadth is 1.1. Breadth is 1.1. This canvas is made into conical tent. Superb question. Conversion. 1 cubic meter of iron of weight. In a flat race, okay, let us see this question. I will explain that question in the later stage, right? A flat race, A beats B by 15 and C by 29, right? If, let us say simple, if A goes x meters, then B goes how much, x minus 15, that's it. Now, and C goes how much, x minus 29 in that flat race. When B and C run over the same course together, B wins by 15, which means if B goes x, C goes only x minus 15, right? So taking this ratio, distance is directly proportional to speed, you will get the length of the course. So which is nothing but x minus 15 divided by x minus 29 is equal to x divided by x minus 15. The cross multiplication, which is nothing but x square minus 15 30x, 15 15 30x minus 30x plus 15 square is 225 is equal to x square minus 29x. X square gets the cancel. This is x equal to 225. That is the core length of the course which was there in the options. Fantastic question. I covered these type of questions in my books as well as in my video course. The course that I was designed for the aptitude, which is useful for placements as well as government job examination, around 2500 quality questions has been covered in that video course, giving it a very economical price of 799, giving it a very economical price of 799. You can contact to this number 9989064888. I'm sure you can crack the written test using this video course, no doubt. That kind of quality questions I covered in that video course, consisting of 90. And also every day this drive will be updated. At what angle? Okay, 15 minutes passed. To find the angle for the given time, 30h minus 11 by 2m. To find the angle between minute hand and hour hand for the given time, this is the best way. This is one of the way. I have without formula method also. But most of the students will definitely get only this idea. 30h. H belongs to hours, 5 hours minus 11 by 2 into minutes 15, which is nothing but 150 minus 82.5. That comes out to be how much? 67.5, which is nothing but 6.5 degrees, 67. If he asking the, for example, if he asking the reflex angle, just do it as 360 minus 67.5, you will get the reflex angle, right? But he is asking only the angle, which is 67.5. The odd term out of this series: 15, 16, 34, 105, 424, 2124, my god, 12756. Which one is odd? 15, 16. Let us see. 15 into 1 plus 1 is equal to 16. First of all, I would like to convey why I am taking multiplication. Just see here. Double, more than double, more than triple, more than 4 times. That will possible with multiplication. Now 16 into 2 plus 2, which is nothing but 32 plus 2, 34. That was there. Now 34 into 3, 102. Plus 3, 105. That was the next term. I agree. Now 105 into 4, 420. 420 plus 4, 424. That was there in the options. Now 424 into 5 plus 5, which is nothing but 2125. 2125. But is given 2124. Wrong term. Finish it. Answer. That is the end of my solutions of this video. My dear viewers, aspirants, I am really telling you, good quality questions I covered. There is a lot of chance to ask the similar models in the upcoming drives. This video will help you as a guide to crack your upcoming drives, right? Every day just repeatedly listen my videos. You will get an idea of how to crack the questions. For the complete conceptual topic wise video course, I was given a number 9989064882. For that you can contact for the complete video course topic wise, right? In this video course I covered 100 and plus videos covering 110 hours. 110 hours of listen, 110 hours of video course and prepare, practice definitely you will definitely crack. I covered around 200 205 2500 questions in that video course, and I also providing company specific questions also, and also I am providing practice questions in PDF. Those practice questions are really quality questions. Now prepare with the videos, practice the questions, that's enough. This entire package I am giving it 799. Make use of this as best as possible, my dear viewers. That's it from my side. I will come up with a new video later time. Thank you one and all.